Actress Porimoni has secured bail in the case filed by the businessman Nasiruddin Mahmood on charges of vandalizing, threatening and attempting to murder him. The court also granted bail to her costume designer Zunaid Karim Jimmy. Dhaka Senior Judicial Magistrate M. Saiful Islam granted the bail to them after Porimoni and Jimmy surrendered in the court and sought bail in the case. Porimoni had earlier on June 14, 2021 filed a case against Nasir and two others of Savar police station on charges of rape and murder attempts, centering the same incident that took place on June 9th in the same place and the same year. The case is now pending with the Women and Children Repression Prevention Tribunal 9 of Dhaka. On July 6 of 2022, former Dhaka Boat Club executive and businessman Nasir filed a case in which the court summoned Porimoni, Jimmy and Fatima.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।